Right, so a little bit of pest control in the house. I'd found one of these coffee things on the floor that somehow got kicked down the side of the dishwasher, and I noticed it had been all chewed. It looked like it had been chewed off on the top, so I thought, I reckon there's a mouse in the house, and there was. I've got him. I have to set it up again, but I'll just take him out and then I'll show you this trap. So this is one of my mouse traps that I'd made in a tube. So it's basically a normal mouse trap screwed to a piece of wood. You can see it there. You pull it, you pull this string and that loads it, but it's nice and covered up so the dogs can't get to it, and that's the main thing. You could just put a mouse trap on the floor, but for me I've got to cover them up because of the dogs. That's a normal piece of drain pipe, square cut out the bottom. The mouse trap is screwed to the board, and this is placed over it and screwed. And like I said, you just pull this string and that will load it. A bit of peanut butter on there. So I'll have to set that again because there may be more. Right, so I'll set that up, and if I get any more I'll let you know.